Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's the crochet tutorial for this beautiful pattern. Foundation chains. Multiple of 8 plus 2. Next, the first row, back to the second loop, make the first single crochet. Make single crochet one by one. The stitch count should be 8 north plus 1. Chain 1, turn the work and go to next row. The second row is all single crochet stitches. Chain 1, turn the work, we go to the third row. The first stitch is single crochet. From here, we make a double crochet. That's one stitch. We make 6 single crochet in the same way. Here we get 7 double crochet. Next one, single crochet. That's one set, includes 8 stitches, 7 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. We make another 3 sets in the same way. The last single crochet. We get 33 stitches in total. Chain 1 and turn the work. Next is the fourth row. All single crochet one by one. That's the fourth row. Chain and turn the work. Next is the fifth row. We make 2 single crochet at the beginning. Next, through the second double crochet of the third row, we make the first double crochet. We make another 4 double crochet in the same way. Here we get 5 double crochet stitches. Next, we make 3 double crochet in the same way. That's the first set. Repeat to make another 3 sets. The last set, the 2 final single crochet. Chain 1 and turn the work. Next, the 6th row, all single crochet 1 by 1. Next, the 7th row. 3 single crochet at the beginning. Next, we make 3 double crochet is video. Here we get 3 double crochet. Next, we make 5 single crochet. Here's the first set. We make another 3 sets in the same way. Final, we make 4 single crochet. Next, we go to the 8th row. We make single crochet 1 by 1. Next, we go to the 9th row. For single crochet at the beginning. One double crochet. Next, 7 single crochet 1 by 1. That's the first set. Repeat another 3 times. Here, we get the pattern. From now, just repeat from the 2nd row to the 9th row. Wish you good luck. Thanks for your company.